Hi everybody. We are in Evant, Texas. We're starting out right by the Bee House Lodge. Chartered in 1970. So we are definitely in a very tiny town. You can pretty much see the entire old town in this one shot, but we're gonna take a closer look. This will be a quick tour. It's definitely an agricultural town because there's a feed store, Evant Feed, right across from another feed store, M&W Ag Supply. So I guess they're battling that out for dominance. And you see we got their Dollar General and all that, but let's see if we can get across the street. Got the Blonde Bison tasting room. We have a furniture place. A barbershop. Stetson's Cafe. I don't think they are open. We have Louise's Boutique. I'm not sure what they do there. And you got this place is up for rent, so it's your chance to get a foothold in this town. Got a now this is probably the best looking building on the street, the W.C. Brooks building. So there you go. And last but not least, we have this building on the end, which I'm not sure what it's for. It's for lease as well. And here's the old gas station, which is very nice. It has a nice old Ford and all the tanks. This might be somebody's workshop. So, but there it is. All right, let's go walk across the street. Got a building over there, and there's another look at the town from this vantage point. And across the street we have our diner, Main Street Diner. And we have the obligatory small town Italian restaurant, which I love that there's always a little Italian restaurant in all these little tiny towns, it seems like. But you also can get Mexican food there as well. So there's their bank. All right, everybody, this is Evant, Texas. Thanks for coming along with me on this quick tour. It's a tiny town. If you blink, you'll miss it, but you know, it's definitely worth a stop. There's a couple places to shop, you know, you can go buy some feed here or get some coffee. And there's a Dollar General, so What else do you need? All right, well, I'll see y'all next time, and remember, you're all dearly loved.